We made our first bread! Woohoo! Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to get ready together. We are going out for dinner with some friends and I'm not very sure where we're going. I hope that by the end of this video I will have some more information. The weather is getting colder again. I have no idea what I'm going to wear and let's apply some primer. This is the HD Active Performance Primer with SPF 30 by Catrice Cosmetics. It's not doing the Instagram dropper thing, unfortunately. Okay, I think that's a lot of primer. What have I done? A week before, we had amazing weather. It was like, spring is here, I can wear my trench coat, but now I'm not able because the weather is again 3 degrees, and to be honest, especially at winter time, I prefer wearing something that is warm instead of something cute because I don't want to get sick again. This primer is good. I continue with this foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. This is in the shade 125 Natural Rose, and let's shake it a little bit. It was in the drawer. Shake it! I'm going to use this sponge by Catrice and I did the mistake and I didn't get more of the sponge and it is limited edition. I'm not very sure that I can find it and I like it so much. And speaking of brands and reviews, let me know in the comments what brands you would like to see on my channel. I'm planning to do more brand reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what other makeup tutorials you want to see. Also, beauty tips and techniques maybe. Or basically what videos you want to see on my channel. I'm trying to find some brands that you have already told me that you want me to review. It's not very easy because they are American brands, they are not in Europe. And it is a little bit challenging to find them, but I'm trying. I will figure out something, so don't worry. And I'm taking some more to build this coverage. Woohoo! I'm also going to do another video for Catrice makeup products. And also I'm going to give you updates for the products that I have used in March, like the under eye primer, the brow product and some other products. And yeah, so a Catrice video is coming your way. So this is one of my favorite foundations and I'm trying to find your favorite foundations. If you have favorite products, let me know in the comments and I will try to find them and do a video about them. I also promised a birthday makeup look and I never posted that video because I didn't have any makeup on my birthday. On that day we went for coffee, after that shopping, also we went for dinner. To be honest, I didn't feel like doing a makeup look that day. I didn't feel like I need to do something because it was my birthday. Don't get me wrong, I love makeup, but I also like how my skin looks. For concealer, I'm using this one by BH Cosmetics. This is the Total Coverage Concealer and it is in the shade... Where is the shade? I don't know. What shade are you? Who are you? Oh, I look lovely. I'm using my fingertip. I have applied some on the back of my hand and I'm taking it with my finger. And I use this concealer this way because I don't like using harsh applicators on my skin, especially on my under eye area. And this is plastic, it doesn't even have a sponge or a cushion, so I can press lightly. Let's start blending. This looks ridiculous. Do we have any other March babies here? Let me know in the comments. I was born on the 23rd of March. Let me know if you are Aries or Aries. I don't know, let me know your sign. My parents also visited me for my birthday. They came to Berlin and we had a great time. For my birthday cake, I wanted to bake a carrot cake or something with brownies and everyone else didn't care, and in the end we just bought a cake from Lidl. It was not super tasty, but We could put the candles. Also, speaking of baking, last month we made our first bread. Woohoo! We are bread makers now. It was delicious. Now, I found the recipe on YouTube, and for some reason I didn't buy the correct quantity for the ingredients, so we had to adjust the liquids for the bread, but in the end it was so good, guys. I thought I had a video or a photo of the bread, but I don't. And I don't have my first bread. I forgot to wear my earrings. I bought some earrings from Boohoo. I got this because on the model they were like very, I don't know, glamorous. And I thought they will look very nice on me. Maybe with a summer dress it will look better, but for now I think they are not something I can wear because we are still wearing coats and very heavy jackets. I think I don't like the color. Anyways, now I don't have any makeup on and I am with a t-shirt. I'm going to apply some powder and then I'm going to show you the rest of the earrings. This is going to be an earring haul too. Yalla! Yalla! I will continue with powder. This is Extreme Blur Loose Powder by Catrice. This is limited edition. Oh, la la la. Oh, nice. I don't need a lot of powder. I'm going to show you the rest of the earrings. Oh no, they are heavy and they make my ear droopy. Yes. I closed them very tight on my ear. And what is this? I have more earrings, but we also do makeup here. So I'm going to use this Romantic Gardens palette by Catrice. I'm taking this one here. Ooh, I applied too much. Thank God it's blending. I also got some tops from the Boohoo website. And thank God all of them are in the correct size. And they look nice on me. I don't know if I'm going to do a fashion haul. Let me know in the comments if you like watching them in beauty channels. I don't know if you want to see something like that. Is it interesting for you? I watch them all the time because I can get ideas what clothes I can buy, how to style them, because I'm not a stylist, as you can see. Great t-shirt here. Okay, so the next pair of earrings is this one here. This one gives me more boho vibes. I like that. I think with a maxi dress with flowers, it is going to look very nice in the summer. This is not for the season now, but I think I can make it work. What do you guys think? It's very cute. I have one more pair, but let's continue with the blush so I can also get ready for dinner. I'm going to take this peachy blush from the same palette. I think I'm going to do an orange eye look. Also, my husband wants to see something with orange. He told me, put that white on your eyes. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm also going to use the highlighter so I can finish off with this palette. And I'm taking this one here. Oh my God, I forgot. I love it. I also have these tassel pink earrings. This is also boho. I think it's going to be lovely with bronzed skin and a gold smoky eye look. What do you guys think? What is your favorite pair of earrings? I think mine are these because I like also the color of the tassels. We also did a haul today. So let's continue with some brow products. I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil and also the Gimme Brow. And these are both in the shade 3. I can't talk and do my brows. So, bloop. For my eyes, I'm going to do something with orange and white. I'm going to use the Slush palette by September. That's a difficult word. September. From September Rose Cosmetics. And whoop-de-doo. I don't like how the mirror looks on this side, but no reviews. This is a get ready with me. And we have something orange, something white. We have everything. What was I saying? I'm taking this fluffy brush by Wet n Wild and also this orange shade. It is called Peach Lemonade. And I will... Oh my God. Okay, my palette is okay. While my parents were visiting, we also went to the movies. Maybe I should use a crease color. I have only tried the pink berry eyeshadows and they stained my skin, and after that I was very mad with the palette because it also stained my 225 brush by Zoeva, and that's one of my favorite brushes for blending. And I was like, I'm not going to use you again. Back to the Get Ready With Me. We watched Captain Marvel or Marvel, and oh my god, I didn't have high hopes for that movie. I had this idea that I wouldn't like the movie, but I loved it. It's very nice. I cannot wait for the new movie, The Avengers Endgame. I think it is released on 23rd, 24th? No, 24th of April. We're definitely going to watch that movie. I want to see what's happening with Thanos. Let me know in the comments if you have watched any new movies lately that you like. Give me your recommendations. I like comedies, science fiction, anything with wizards, Harry Potter, and Game of Thrones. Let's speak about Game of Thrones. To be honest, I didn't like the last season. I like the story of Arya, but I don't like a lot of characters. I like this type of TV shows, but Game of Thrones is not one of my favorites. Another one that I really like is Penny Dreadful. You need to watch that TV show. You can find it on Netflix. The story is amazing. The clothes, the makeup, the characters, the actors, dancing with the music. Speaking of Game of Thrones, they have a collaboration with Urban Decay, and I was super excited when I saw some sneak peeks on the Instagram account of Urban Decay. Now that the collaboration is released, I'm like, nope, it's not happening. No way. I'm going to take the same eyeshadow with a smaller brush by Urban Decay. I was expecting something completely different, and I thought that they would release two smaller palettes, one with red eyeshadows and one with blue eyeshadows, one inspired from the Deathwalkers and the other one from the Dragons. I was going to buy the palette, but it is very bulky, big. I don't like that it is like a drawer. I like the highlighter palette, but I don't think I'm going to get that. Is there any new makeup release that you are excited about? I don't know. I think I'm not excited for any new makeup release at the moment. I'm more interested in buying products that you guys let me know that you want to see a review from me. Or I'm trying to find new brands that I have never tried on my channel. This orange eyeshadow is looking nice. Oh yeah, we have a very white eyeshadow. I think my husband will love it. Ping, 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 ping. I'm going to take this white eyeshadow now. This called Coconut Milk. Ooh, that's pretty. This is exactly what my request was. White on the eyes. A show that I actually like, and we've watched it the last month, is called The Order. This one is with wizards and with teenagers, and it's very fun to watch. Also, the story was very interesting. All the time we were like, what is going on? It was one of the very few TV shows that we watched the last year, and we were actually surprised by the ending, by every episode. We were going to watch only one episode, and we ended up watching all the episodes in 2 days, I think. I'm going to take this Coconut Milk shade with a smaller brush for my inner corner. Oh, I like it. With an angle brush, I'm going to take this Suede eyeshadow and I'm going to press it very close to my lashes. Where is my mascara? For mascara, I'm going to use the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. Let's continue with the lipstick, and after that, I'm going to call my husband and ask him if he likes the eye makeup. I'm going to take the same highlighter. Yes, I prefer it this way. It pushes back my hooded eyes. For lips, I'm going to use one of the lipsticks from this lip set by Catrice. I'm going to use this one. It has a caramel brown color. I have here the Generation Plump and Shine Lip Gloss by Catrice in the shade Sparkling Coral. Yeah, I think I like the glossy finish a little bit more with the eyeshadows today. So it's time to call my husband. Αγάπη, έρχεσαι να δεις αν σ' αρέσει το μακιγιάζ μου? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, approved. Let's me know if you want to see more get ready with me videos. Do you like them? Do you think they are boring? Do you want me to do more? Let me know in the comments. You can watch here the lip swatches for the lip set. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!